You're welcome to News Now on iBrandTV, reaching you live from our studio in Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Margaret Apara. First, the headlines. Court dismisses case against Central Bank of Nigeria's directive on bank charges. Federal government to set up fortified assets database, says Solicitor-General. And 9,800 Nigerian refugees to be repatriated from Cameroon. Atletico Madrid and Chelsea match move to Bucharest. We'll bring you the news in a moment. Please stay with us. And now the news in details. The Central Bank of Nigeria on Tuesday said the Federal High Court sitting in Abeokuta, Ogun State Capital, dismisses suit instituted by Legal Practitioner Olumide Babalola, challenging the CBN policy on current account maintenance fee contained in the guide to the charges by banks and other financial institutions of January 2020. The CBN stated, and I quote, Babalola has instituted the action in the name of his law firm, Babalola Lp, in which he contended that the policy of guidelines of the CBN violated his fundamental human rights. And in more story, the Solicitor-General, Apata, SAN, has said the federal government would establish a database of fortified assets. He said this will be done by the Inter-Ministerial Committee on the Disposal of the Federal Government Fortified Assets. Apata, who is the committee chairman, assured that it would ensure that the federal government gets value for all the fortified assets soon to be disposed. The Solicitor General said during the visit to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) headquarters in Abuja on Tuesday. And according to a statement by the agency's spokesman, Uwujaren, the statement quoted Apata as stating that the committee, which was inaugurated on November 9, 2020, was the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, SAN, is introducing uniform process and asset disposal and avoid wastages so that the federal government can have full benefit of what has been fortified. Moving on to the following story, Nigerian representatives have arrived Marwa in Cameroon for the repatriation of 9,800 Nigerian refugees. The 9,800 are those in the first phase of the repatriation from Cameroon out of the 46,000 Nigerians taking refuge in Minawa camp in Central Africa country. A statement today by the spokesman to Borno State Governor Professor Babagana Zulum, Malam Issa Gusar, said his buses arrived Marwa in Cameroon alongside officials of the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development towards the voluntary repatriation of 9,800 Nigerians of Borno origin, who are among 46,000 Nigerians taking refuge in Minawa camp in Cameroon. Moving on to sports story, Atletico Madrid's home match against Chelsea in the Champions League last season has been moved from Spain to Bucharest as a result of coronavirus restriction. UEFA confirmed earlier today. Chelsea said in a statement on their website that the date of the match, February 23, and the kickoff time, 2000 GMT, would remain the same. The second leg is scheduled to take place at Stamford Bridge in London on March 17. It is the latest European match to be switched as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. And that's all we can take on News Now on iBrandTV. For more news stories, please visit our website, follow all social media handles, subscribe to our YouTube channel, drop a comment for us on the comment section. My name is Margaret Apara. Please have a good night.